I'm sure you've heard the news. Nature is full of surprises. Here are 5 that'll blow your mind. Nature is a treasure trove of wonders. Let's kick off with the Arctic tern. This tiny bird travels a jaw-dropping 44,000 miles every year. That's like circling the Earth twice. Next up, meet the peregrine falcon. This speedster hits an incredible 242 miles per hour, faster than your car on the highway. Now get this, there's an immortal jellyfish. Yep, Turritopsis dohrnii can literally turn back time and become young again. Talk about forever young. Ever heard of Inga Falls? It's the largest waterfall by volume, stretching over 15 kilometers. That's longer than 140 football fields lined up. And finally, let's talk about snowflakes. The largest one ever recorded was 15 inches wide and 8 inches thick. Now that's one giant snowflake. Nature never ceases to amaze. Hit that subscribe button for more astonishing facts. See you in the next adventure.